Good day, Ma'am MJ. Today I will explain to you my code in my activity Arduino LED button on and off. So first, we have here a constant variable button pin and set its value to 5. This is where the button is connected. And then next we have here another constant variable LED pin and set its value to 9. This is where the LED is connected. And then the button state, uh, 0 value. This is where to store the button's state. And then we have here a function setup. So here we set the LED pin as output, and then here is the input. So next, the serial, we set the serial monitor at 9600 rate, and then we have another function loop called loop. So here is uh, to read the button input, and then we will print the button state, and then here we have a condition. So here, if button is equals to high, so it means that if the button is pressed, so the LED will turn on. Else, if the LED is off, and then we add a small delay. So that's my code. So I will show to you the output. I will splash.